We just dropped the kids off, and now we are on our way to the Bulls game. Derrick Rose retirement Bulls game. We going kind of early. It's 3 o'clock. It doesn't start till 7, but we are going early in case they have free giveaways at the door. Plus it's snowing.
In Chicago.
Right. It's 6. What did it say? What's the temperature?
5.
It's 5, but the real feel is probably negative something. So yeah, dropped off the kids. We got about an hour drive to the United Center.
Real feel is 1.
Yep. And look, y'all, I have another coat. This is just my Bulls jacket, but I brought a whole nother coat and a hat. Hubs is definitely gonna freeze. Oh, you look cute, Hub. Look at Hub.
It's not that cold outside.
You look cute. So, yeah. I hope it's not any traffic. Do we have everything? Because we passing up the house now. Okay. Is it still snowing? Or did it slow down?
Barely. They ain't doing that. I don't even need no wipers on.
It's not too bad. It's a little bit of snow.
I wasn't yesterday. That was the day that I was in Lake Forest. But I had to come all the way down 290 on 94.
There is downtown in the clouds. Look at them chimneys.
Got that mess cranked up. It's cold.
We're at the United Center. This is the lot we're parking in. F. There's nobody here yet because we are super beyond early. So we got a good spot because we so early. We gonna go in right over this is the best spot we ever parked in. Too bad that was filled up, but still nobody was paying for that. They good. How you feel about the game, Hubs?
I'm excited. This is like my favorite player since Jordan, so.
So it's 4:19 and the lot is still not really full, but it's more cars than before. But behind us, you can see it's empty for this lot. I'm not sure what time the earliest.
Say doors opened at 5.
5 o'clock.
Yeah, let me see.
Okay. So I think we're gonna get out at like 4:45. What you think? 4:45?
That's fine.
We're gonna get out the car at 4:45 because it's right there. He has on his hat, which I rarely ever see him in a hat.
Only because we about to be standing outside.
Probably so. But I got on a coat and then I got on this Bulls jacket that I had forever. Look at the lot. The lot is filling up now. I'm coming. What'd you say?
I said ours is ready for us to walk along. Oh, he gonna let us go. Yeah, see, that's where they go, the players and stuff, where you can go down.
We can't sneak in there?
Nah. Go ahead and try.
Where is it? I graduated from this school. That was the first school no, that's not the first school I went to. That's not the first college I went to. That's the first college I graduated from. Malcolm X College. Look there's the Sears Tower coming up on a line. It looks like a line. was taken, wasn't it?
Yeah,
We in this long line. Doors just opened up. We going in. United Center. We waited for like 10 minutes. They just, what's the real feel out here? Gotta be negative something. Thank you. Thank you. Negative 8. They look like them mice. Probably we too thirsty. We ain't here. What he holding up shoes for?
D-Rose, baby, D-Rose.
No. Not to be bogus.
Oh no, I ain't going 10, I was 8.
Not.
It's one of the releases for his stuff. It got like roses all over it. Yes, and you go and let's get it here real quick.
This 233, which one we in? This where we at. Gonna ask him and see if he'll take our picture before it get too crowded in here. Chicago Stadium Club. You wanna go right now? Yeah. This the menu. So this what we got. This, and this. I wonder how many burgers come with it.
Maybe like 3 or 4.
4. I was doing all of that. So we in a restaurant waiting for our food. I'm super hungry. I have not ate anything today but a smoothie. What you eat today? We hungry. That's why we ordered all that food.
That's something we'll order at the movies.
I didn't want them to know that. No, I don't care, because I'll be slamming. But this is the little restaurant behind our seating section.
Lexus Club.
Oh. These little roasted peppers they got in here are good. I'm gonna taste the nachos.
I say, get one that got some good stuff on it.
Here. Well, dip it in this. Dip that in this. Oh, that was good. Them nachos good.
It's $5.50, I think.
All good, still working.
That's slam. At the Oli.
It's excited already, isn't it? The nachos are real good.
That does not surprise me, actually.
I bit it with this too. It was so good.
Dang.
Just kidding, I'm done. Dude,
These are
I'm
mid. They
amazed.
ain't got no
I'm
chicken in
amazed
them.
that sold out. I'm amazed that Espenbowl has a pop.
You want to take
Aren't they
one?
for the, don't you put dip in the aioli?
I know, but I'm saving that. I was saving that for that. We ain't have no ranch with them. They don't need it.
Maybe they got them here.
Those are good.
They're going to be sold
Told you,
out.
Lighthouse?
Didn't you say there
The
was a
sauce
specific
is
place
sweet
for-
and spicy.
Yeah, there's one up there.
It's really, really good. Might be better. Wings are good. Nachos are super good.
Probably not many.
I even bought it up out the box. I bought these things on Black Friday.
I dipped the calamari in it.
Whatever, dude.
Take it up a notch.
I ordered at customs. So I've got.
That's it.
Well, you know they should have put more of that meat all over this.
You take it down there.
They was petty for that.
Move that out the way.
I order most of my things.
You can put the nachos right here.
I guess.
Right there.
I guess you were right.
Honestly, I didn't think it was going to be this.
Right.
I don't know why.
I would almost bet it was just as busy.
Yeah, unless you like there were people in line before it opened for sure.
We'd have came at 5. We'd have had to wait in line probably.
You know your wings good on the ranch for nothing on it.
But low key, why they ain't give us ranch with them?
What time is that storm supposed to
Philly cheesesteak burger. I'ma dip it in this aioli though. I ain't get enough. You can have all them wings.
That's the price I'm paying. It's not a plain list.
I wanted this with the pepper.
Like they just said, hey, your renewal.
You don't want to do that because the head keeps the carbonation.
Yeah, but it's hard to drink when there's too much.
No such thing as too much head.
There is in my beer.
That aioli set it off.
What?
That aioli set it off.
This, right?
They need to have that to come with it.
With this on it.
Pretty sure anything they give you is free.
That's like a homemade jardinera pepper.
It's hot, it's like real hot.
No, it's like
The
Yeah.
napkin.
it's good.
Biggest.
They got a lot of flavor.
Did you see
The smartest thing we could have did was came early.
Do what?
Came early.
For real.
It's just way more chill, right?
The snack that punches above its weight. 5 grams of protein.
Oh, you took your cup too?
The fun kind of good.
It's chilly in here. Just showing up. Like that.
And this is our manager, Derrick. We call him Pete. He's the best in the business. Just like you, boss. We're family owned and family operated.
Definitely didn't call that.
On the road. Shout out to Shamir J.I. Give it up for Kiki Pool Boy.
You know it's your girl, Chicago. I'm so glad to be back home and to show love to the one and only Derrick Rose. Hey, when you wish upon a star, hey, you're verified. When you wish upon a dream, hey, nothing always what you see, so yeah. What you see is nice, so clear. In the sky, so very dear. Sing with me. You a shining star, no matter who you are. Shine bright, you see, what you truly be. Hey, you a shining star, no matter who you are. Shine bright, you see, what you truly be. Hey.
You're flying over the madhouse, you can hear cheers in the sky. How high can one man fly? How deep can one man dig? King on the call, saying too big, too fast, too strong, too good. Young Pope from Inglewood, he was a band long before he was a bull. A baller, a hooper, a dunker, passer, shooter, and all start to school matters. The 312 crew, the Leatherballs, the Queen Kiki Power. My name is Jay Ivy, and this is for our MVP, our shining star, the beat champ, Derrick Rose. We love you. Hey.
I ain't 25%. Foul, bro. Come on.
Let's go, Bulls! Let's go, Bulls! Hell no.
Before I go, for all the kids in here, there's a lot of kids in here. If y'all can repeat me this one time, it's a mantra that I did when I was younger. Every time I played, I did this mantra. So if you can repeat me, it'll be cool. I am. I am. I am. I am the greatest ever. Fear, I command you to leave. Now with that, I said that before every game. I didn't know that I was basically tricking myself or setting myself up in life. I was forcing myself to be great in every area, and that's why I'm here right now, because it's forcing me. I didn't want to be up here talking like this, but since I said that before every game, every level in my life is forcing me to be great. And that's why I wanted you all to repeat it, because I just tricked you all too. Thank you.
Oh, they gonna press it.
To unveil the banner. Let's count it down. 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walking amongst a crowd of people, and I know I just smell somebody musty.
Huh?
Oh, nothing. I'm talking about video. Wait, let's try this door. Cause see, I think this is closer.
Right to your left.
Dang, for real, for real? You were finna knock me down to tell them. It's a blizzard out here right now. Yeah, it's snowing for real now. You got your hat, Hubs?
Yeah, it's in the bag. Hold it for a little bit. I got to put my bill right now.
I got on basically 2 coats. My regular winter coat, this Bulls coat, the jersey, and the hoodie.
It still ain't even cold. It's just slippery.
I think the temperature went up.
I understand.
It can't be -8 still because it don't feel like that anymore.
Yeah.
Especially not if it's snowing like this. It had to have warmed up. I don't
Let's
know.
say it is, but no, it can't be.
Nah, we just was just hot.
Look.
Oh yeah, it was no, you're right. It was just hot up in that end. I'm gonna show y'all how it look out here. Oh, them drummer boys out here, they still do that. Oh my God, how they drumming in the snow? I'm done. It's a snowstorm out here right now. Joakim made a good point. We're in a vortex, in a blizzard, and we're out here. Give us our respect. They spent money on us. I hear some drummer boys out here. They still doing that. You know what? They about to make some money. Somebody gonna tip them. They hustling the -8 wind chill. Where they at? I can't wait to see them. Let me flip it. Let's see. They're good. He saw the camera and said, I don't think we're gonna make this, Hub. The lighters are, oh, they ain't moving. Zuri blowing my phone up. Car right here.
Hey, bro, game over already. I know it ain't that long.
Ooh, the United Center right there. Look at the traffic we about to be in. It's about to take us 2 hours to get home. Oh my God, the car is covered in snow. Look at this. It's a snowstorm. Did we bring the brush? Look at this, y'all. We in snow for real. Thank you. It's cold. I'm about to start this car now. Let me start this car.
Come on, brush. You got work to do.
Okay, it is freezing. It's freezing for real. Let's see. I'm helping him. These wipers. I'm trying to help him do the wipers and stuff. That's good. That's good. Whoo, it's cold. Did I do that back window? Yeah. It looked like zombies walking past the car. I can cut that off now. Okay. Only thing that's freezing on me is really kind of my nose. No, not my nose. My face a little bit. But my hands are frozen solid. He's cleaning the snow off the car. We are about, it's gonna take us forever to get home. Not only are we leaving the United Center, which typically takes 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. It's a snowstorm. Basically, we are still trying to get out of this parking lot. It's a nightmare. There is no one directing traffic, and it is a blizzard out here. Look at this. And the snow is very slippery because we were slipping walking back to the car. We knew he was about to be in this. Hubs is warming up his hands with a hat because he was cleaning all of the snow off the car, freezing to death. Hubs.
This is the coldest. It wasn't even that cold. Just standing out there waiting for the.
Yes, almost 30 minutes just to get out of the lot. Mind you, we were parked right by the exit, if you recall. Finally turning the corner. This is the United Center. We're finally turning the corner, headed south to the highway. And it's still a whole entire blizzard. Look. Snowstorm. That dude. All them people cared about was charging us for the parking spot, but not helping us get out of here. Look at all this snow. Why is nobody on the bus? They didn't take the CTA to this game? Let me show the shoes I wore too. I wore these. I took my shoes off because we in the car now. The 8s. I'm gonna get back on here when we get back into the highway. It's 11:27 p.m. We got to the car at 10:48. You do the math. Right. I am so beyond sleepy because I don't be out this late. You don't either though, Hubs.
At all.
I'm usually tucked away.
This is Call of Duty time right now.
Are you gonna play the game when you get in?
Like
No, you not, Hubs. You so sleepy, don't lie. Why am I so tired?
Some food when I get in the house. I know that much. I feel like eating again.
I am kind of hungry too, but I'm not gonna eat this late. But that game was so much fun, and I'm so happy that they won. And it was a really good game because it was so close. It was neck and neck.
Came down to a buzzer.
And at the last minute, they shot a 3, and it was 114 to 111. So it was perfect. They were working hard to win this game for D Rose. I know. You could tell they was hustling, couldn't you? They wasn't even playing like that at the last game. They was hustling on this game. The last game we went to, at least. And then we still gotta pick the girls up. I was hoping that they would just spend the night, but they keep saying they'd rather wait for us to pick them up. Bug is already asleep. Wazy girl took a nap, so mama says she's still up. We're almost home. They didn't really clean the streets that good out here. Snow is sparkling. Look at this snow. It looks like diamonds is in the snow. I love when snow looks like this. It's so pretty. Look at that. We coming to pick the girls up. Look at that snow. It's just sparkling. It's like it's glowing.